Hi, and welcome back to Blues Garden. This is starting my sweet potato slips for 2025. Sweet potato is not really a potato. It's actually part of the morning glory family. But if you've ever grown them, and I have, you will see why they say it's part of the morning glory family. Their flowers they look like morning glories almost. The plant originates in South America, in what is currently Ecuador. Um, it's not related to the white yams that grow in New Zealand and Australia. It's not related to the yams that you see in Africa. They are similar, but they are not the same family. Um, it is often called a yam in parts of North America. A sweet potato is unique to the Americas. Um, Similar to plants in other parts of the world, but they are not the same family. So, South America, the orange sweet potato that we see, sometimes it's a little reddish. Um, it has certain growing requirements, and ironically, it's very similar to what you find in South Central America. It needs warm nights, needs a lot of sun, it needs a long growing season, 120 to 160 days of growing. Warm weather, a lot of moisture, but it can't be waterlogged, so good draining. It needs plenty of water early on for the roots to take hold, and it needs plenty of water in well draining soil for the tubers to grow. It does not do well in drought conditions. Again, warm, tropical plant. So that's what we need to replicate in our growing season here for me in New England. Very easy to do. It just takes a little time. I'm going to take my sweet potatoes and I'm going to put them in some moist soil. I'm going to put them covered in a clear container, clear cover, and some heat and light. And in a bit, the stalks will start growing out of the sides of the sweet potato, and you cut them off and you put them in water. So I'll show you. Here's first steps. I want to give my plants a head start by developing my slips indoors. I will do this by starting a sweet potato in a moist, warm soil and keep that soil moist. The slips will grow out of those sweet potatoes, and as they become robust enough, you cut those slips off the sweet potato, and I put them in water in order to develop the white roots, and that makes it easy to transplant the sweet potato slips into ground. I'm just going to add a little extra soil here so I get some good contact between the potato and the soil. Probably buried a little more than halfway, the sweet potatoes. I need to do that early enough so that come the time that my soil outdoors is 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit overnight, uh, they are robust enough slips that they can grow. And 50 to 60 means mid April ish. In order to get myself enough growing time to get some decent sweet potato. For me, that means enough time by Thanksgiving harvest. And I usually have enough that lasts me November, December into January. A couple of months of some harvested tubers. Anyway, good soil contact. Get them at least half buried, maybe a little more than half. Good warm, moist soil. I'm going to clear these off, get them set, put the lid on them. It's a clear lid. They will be under some lights and on a a heat mat. So see, on the heat mat and under some grow lights. And that's good for now, for this part. As you can see, the potato slips grow soon enough. I will show you the next step in a bit, as soon as mine come in. These pictures are from last year. Slips come in, then you cut them off, soak them in some water for roots, and they are ready for transplanting. But you will have to wait for the next part for that to happen. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share if this video helps you.